Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 10 best workouts for beginners. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As many of us know, regular exercise can have countless impacts and benefits for overall health in the body. Some benefits are improving the immune system, boosting bone health, reducing heart problems, helping to control diabetes symptoms, as well as many mental benefits such as enhancing self-confidence, etc. If you haven't started yet, you may have some excuses for yourself, like being too busy, not having that much money to spend on a gym membership or exercise equipment, or not knowing how to start to work out. In this video, we are going to tell you 10 great workouts which do not need any equipment. They are easy to do, and you can do them at home or the park. They are also proper for beginners. So, stay tuned with us to make all these excuses off the table. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Bicycle crunch. Make sure you do a combination of stretch and cardio warm-up to prevent damages to your muscles and joints. This exercise starts by lying down on the floor. Your lower back should press the mat, but your shoulders should be raised about 2 inches. Place your hands on the back of your ears, lift one of your legs and bend your knee until it touches the opposite elbow. If you can't touch your knee with your elbow, it's okay. Just try to twist your core, cause this workout aims at your external oblique. Be careful about pushing your neck. You must try to control the movement with your abs, not your neck. Keep on changing sides until you do 10 reps on each side. Number 2. Squat. The second great exercise for your legs and hamstring muscles, which are the biggest muscles of your body and make you burn fat more than any other muscle, is squat. For doing a proper squat, you should stand up, open your leg as wide as your shoulders, and sit down on an imaginary chair. Hold the position for 3 seconds and stand up again. Do this exercise for 45 seconds. Be sure that your back is flat, your neck is neutral, and your knees do not go over your feet, because it will hurt your joints. Number 3. Plank. Maybe the simplest effective exercise ever is the plank. Your hand should be directly under your shoulder, toes on the ground. Keep your tight and hold your body up for 20 seconds, and do it 2 times. If you shake, there's nothing to worry about. This is the thing that happens for every beginner, so just keep going and burn your muscles. Number 4. Kickback. Glute kickback is the next exercise we'll suggest you do. Because it is an intense exercise that targets your glute muscles, makes them round, lifted, and bigger. Go down on all fours, open your hands as wide as your shoulders, put your palm on the floor, keep your spine parallel to the ground, and tighten your core muscles. When you are on an exhale, extend one of your legs back and up smoothly until your thigh is in a line with your back. Hold the position for a moment and return to all fours. Do this exercise 15 times on each side. Number 5. Russian twist. For doing these amazing abs workouts, which is a great oblique builder, you should just lie down on the floor, bend your knees 90 degrees, and keep your feet close to each other. Now raise them a little bit. Lean your back slightly, extend your arms, keep the weight in your hands, and twist your torso toward the right side until your hands touch the ground, and then twist to the left side and do the exact motion on that side. If you want to modify the exercise, you can put the heels on the ground. Do the exercise 20 times on both sides. Number 6. Crunch. The next great exercise is the crunch. Like the other exercises we mentioned earlier, you can do crunches everywhere. You should just lay down, bend your knees 90 degrees, Keep your abs muscles tight, put your hand on your ears, try to sit up until your elbows touch your knees. Exhale when you're sitting up, inhale when you're lying down. Do this exercise 20 times in every set. Number 7. Bridge. One of the most effective exercises which involve different group muscles simultaneously is the bridge. You should start off laying down on the floor, bend your knees, put your arms by your sides, lift your hip as high as you can, and now, press the hip up and down. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Take your time while you are doing it. As you do it with control and slow, it will be more intense. Scissor legs. The next wonderful exercise is scissors. This exercise primarily works on your core, but it also engages your legs, your glute, and your back. For doing this exercise you do not need any equipment, just lay down on the floor. You can put your hands at your sides, but if you want to add more support to your back, you can place your hands underneath your tailbone. Then extend your legs, and move them up and down. When your right leg is up, your left leg should be down, just like a scissor. Make sure you have a slight bend in your knees to keep your back out of extra pressure. Number 9. Leg lift. Leg lift is an amazing exercise for toning your lower abs and at the same time working on your legs. Lie down on your back, put your feet together, and make your hands like a triangle and put them under the tailbone to prevent extra pressure which may cause pain. Now raise your feet together until your legs reach a 90-degree angle with the floor. Do not let gravity do the movement for you, and make sure your heels won't touch the ground. If this exercise is too easy for you, you can slow it down, and if it is too difficult for you, you can bend your knees to make it easier. It's up to your level. Number 10. Jumping jacks. This exercise is a group muscle workout and it targets the total body. Jumping jack is one of the best cardio workouts which has many benefits for your heart health. For doing this exercise you should stand straight, put your feet together, jump along and bring your arms above your head simultaneously, and then back to the starting point, do the movement again. As you are a beginner now, do not compare yourself with coaches, you need to push your own limits, so stick with the basic movements. And do not try too hard to hurt yourself, you will feel progress gradually. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.